have are 20 different hair colour toppers. Now they come in a huge variety of shades and they range all the way from our lighter blonde colours to our darker brunette and black toned colours. Now the toppers are blended with special pigments so that the topper itself blends in seamlessly with your own hair. So our best selling shades in the topper style are Ice Blonde, Almond Frost and Caramel. All of these topper shades are highly popular. So if we do not have the shade that's right for your colour, then we do offer our customization service, where you can simply send our team a picture of your hair or a small hair sample, and our professional colourist will match the colour to a topper for you. So the toppers are made from human hair, so they can be styled with heat tools. They can also be dyed a darker colour, although we recommend doing this on our lighter shades. Only our natural black topper can be bleached. The rest of our toppers are not able to be bleached. So they